Hello, so today I will share something about a video maker, which is you can create online video in just a minute. It is suitable for everyone, especially who are in online business, e-commerce, so you can create your own video for marketing. So this is the web that I would like to share, which is named as Lumen5. Okay, so you just click on the Lumen5. Okay, so as for example, I had done a few video which from this Lumen5, which not only I use for my marketing for my saffron from anything product from Kashmir, but I also did for my teaching, online teaching. So how you can do, number one, when you open, it will go ask you to create your own profile, your own sign in. So you can create just a normal sign in, and it will directly provide you this your own profile. So it's actually this is just a free version. Okay, it's not a full. You can purchase it later if you feel comfortable, you feel it's useful for you. So let's try the free version. So what you will do is you can create a new video here. Click on the new video. Lumen 5 is actually uh, Lumen 5, okay, is actually a video or a website that can turn your own content into a video. It's either you use a blog, okay, you use a script, whatever script that you already prepared, or you can upload your media. So how it is so easy is and also they have a template. You can discover your own template, but it will help you to give to you what is suitable for your blog, okay, for your script or for your media. Okay, let's we open uh, one website. For example, I want to talk about saffron. Okay, we open one site which is regarding saffron. Okay, for example, I like this. So like this. Okay, what you need to do, because you want to get something content from this, then later you can edit it by your own. For example, you want this. Okay, you like this website, then you copy the link, go to Lumen 5, use your blog, means you already got it from URL, then you paste and you go. And then this Lumen 5 will fetching for you. So first maybe you can choose what is the video format you want. Okay, story, newsfeed, Instagram, or normally I will for video I will do YouTube size because it match with all the sizes of the computer. Just this, choose a theme. Okay, so must choose. There is a thousand of theme here. Okay, smart will be like this. If you want to see, this is content marketing strategy. Okay, it have a lot of format. Okay, for example, like let's I choose this focus. Just click, and it will fetching all the content from that website, and you can edit, you can rearrange whatever based on what you need for the video. Okay, so here we go. It's already have this. Okay, what is the saffron, the world most legendary spice? Okay, if you don't believe me, it's actually get as extract from the website. You can go to the website, you can see it's all same. Okay, so it extract from this whatever needed from the website. So for example, if you want, okay, we focus into this type. Okay, what is saffron, the most world legendary spice? Maybe you want to change it to language, bahasa Melayu language. Okay, what is saffron, the world most legendary spice? Okay, okay, we can change it here, you see. Can change it here. Example, for example, like this, you want to change. Okay, so it's already changed for you, and then this is okay. All right, so and then you don't like the background. Don't worry if you don't like the background. So you can go to media. Okay, in media there were thousands of pictures. Okay, for example, you want to change this with this, or you want something that is gives animated. Okay, so you can try if they have, you can try in their library is all okay if have, but normally it's very hard, or you can upload any video or any image that you have from your library, and then you can use it back. Okay, for example, like now I just use it. Okay, saffron for example, and then have this. Okay, you can use this all free item. Okay, or like this is a free also in its animated, so it's up to you, you want to use which one. Okay, like this, if they have like this premium, that's when you need to purchase not a free version. Okay, so now since we use a free version, now we try this. Okay, you just click the picture and it will automatic change for you. Okay, automatic change for you. Okay, that is the tips. Right, so the next one, okay, justice. Okay, we go back to the story, and you say saffron is one of the most precious spice in the world. So you want to change, as I said, you can put in. Okay, okay, can change it. Okay, easy. If you want to change the picture, just you can change it. Maybe you want to change something that is nice or move. Okay, something like this. This is saffron flowers. Just click. Okay, and then you can go back to the story, whatever. Okay, then for example, you want to take from here, but you don't like this. Okay, don't worry. So you can just put it here. Okay, but what is saffron? When you click this mark, that means it will create a new slide for you. For example, this. Okay, we try to click. Create a new, and you don't like this statement, so you delete, you don't want to use, you want to use this. But what is saffron exactly? Okay, and then you want to change to your language. Okay, so that is okay. For example, you just do like that. Okay, this is just if you want to delete the slide, you just do like this. There is a button here. You can move up position, you can move it down the position, you can copy the scene, and you can delete. This is you can add subscene. So the delete, you can just delete. Okay, so you want to delete. Okay, anything you can delete it. Okay, for example, this is I just show for how to use. Okay, let me delete. I don't know this all so many things. Okay, and then outro you can change. You can change your logo, you can change your pictures, you can change anything, maybe logo of your own online business, and then you can put brought to you by whatever it is. Okay, so this is, for example, this I want to use this, and then next thing, for example, you don't like to put this thing here. First, you can preview actually. See, this button is to preview. So you give a preview of slide. And then this is a layout, which is where you want to put the this position of this. Okay, you either want to make it like this, You can make it like this or like this. Okay, that is what we call position. This is the timing. How long you want? You want to make it because it may be a long statement, so you want to make it longer, 5 seconds for this slide. Okay, so this all. Then more option is actually for you to trim if this video is yours or not yours. Also, you can trim the video. For example, like this. You don't want the whole thing. You want to make it okay, starting from here. So you trim until here. So it will start directly from here. Okay, like example. See, all right. So then you can choose music. There will be 100 more free audio track. You can based on your mood. Okay, dark, dramatic, funky, inspirational. For example, we choose this mood. Okay, and then you can listen to it first. Try. Okay, okay. So you feel okay with this, you can just directly click the music. So it will go up. So it will use this music. Okay, so now let we try. We preview all of it, how it will look. Can click the preview button and it will give you. Example. Next example. Then you feel comfortable with this, you want to publish it, you can publish. Okay, just click the publish button and it will publishing for you, create the content, slowly patch it up, and here it is. Okay, you feel satisfied, you like this. Okay, so your video is now rendering. Okay, so you will rendering, you can wait until the download uh, here, the download button here is available. Okay, now you have. So it will directly upload it, download to you, okay, to your keep you, so you can keep, you can use as your marketing or whatever. Okay, you can use this as for your marketing, for your online business, or maybe teaching portfolio. Okay, if it not automatically download for you, you can click this download button. Okay, so I hope this tutorial video will give an impact and help you in enhance your uh, online business. Assalamualaikum.